Hello guys, EX Gaming Life Safety Guy, and this will be wall system test number 3. Now, it's been a while since I did a wall system test. First of all, I lost my keys for about 3 weeks, and I finally found them. And I got a lot of new alarms for new videos. In the summer, I guarantee there will be fire alarm videos. I have gotten brand new back boxes, and as well as the other alarms I have. So let's get started. Alright, so let's get on with the pull station. Right here I have a unknown fire alarm pull station. Got this on eBay for $20. It uses a Cat 15 key. Let's see. Yep. Uses a Cat. Oh, that's a notifier key. Excuse me for that. It uses a Cat 15 key. And a Cat 15 key is basically a notifier key. So yeah. Got new back boxes, nice and sturdy, although the pull station is a little wobbly because I don't have the correct screws. See? Oh, it's a little on there now. Following the wires up, we have a Wheelock 7002T. Now, this does not sound like a normal Wheelock 7002T. I accidentally dropped this a while ago, and the horn part stopped working, although I was able to fix it again, but the sound's not right. It sounds really deep, and it sounds really raspy, although the strobe works, which I'm thankful for. Also, I have a back box for this, so yeah. I really like the 7002T. See the wires going in the back box, and yeah. So let's get to the test part of this. So, what I have here, we have the pull station, that's the only alarm. And I have my adapter right there. So I'm going to start to pull this pull station. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. This is the model number. It was made in 1990. The model P1MP1T. Whoops. I'm gonna go ahead. Reset that. I'll unplug this to show you the model number again. Whoops, dropped my keys. Let's see. Alright. So if we open up this pull station right here, it is a model MP1T. If you look very closely, you can see it's dated. If this can focus. It was dated 9/30/90. So August 30th, 1990. This was made. It's a non-coded fire alarm box. You have your button right here, and I really like how it's a spring, not just a little flap of metal. It's an actual string, really sturdy. You can see this whole pull station's made of metal. Whoops. And yeah. Locks a little weird on that. And then we have the 7002T again. Well, I guess that kind of concludes this test. This was just going to be like a little mini video with this board. So, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.